Hey guys, we're all freezing here in Dinghies. So it's about 75 degrees, but the breeze is coming in, so we're all frozen. So like everybody's breaking out sweatshirts and you know, double shirt guy here. We're freezing. 75 degrees in the breeze. Horrible. Oh. All right, the wind just picked up, so now we have a 71 wind chill factor. 71. We're freezing. Yeah. But I'm not a quitter. I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up on 71.
Freezing.
Yeah, that's a local guy. He's freezing too. We have the shivers. Hello. Hypothermia setting in here at Dinghies. The forecast.